Hello student, today I'm going to discuss May June 2014 3-1 web designing part. First of all, I want to tell you one thing, why I choose this question. If you solve this question, then you will learn about style sheet as well as like web page part also properly, as I believe. So this is my file and I made a duplicate copy of the data file in my desktop. So basically the question number one, they're talking about evidence documents, so and this is about files, data files, and your question started from question number 3. What they're asking to do: you work for a company called Hot House Design. You will create a style sheet and then edit a web page which promotes the Manta conservation project. Okay, the style sheet and markup must be worked in all browsers. All styles must be applied through an attached cascading style sheet, that means CSS, and not as inline style. Okay, all color codes in hexadecimal. I discussed about hexadecimal number system earlier. So first, according to the question number 3, you have to make a style sheet. So for that we need to open Microsoft front page 2003, and first you need to close everything here. Then you have to go to file, for style sheet, new. Okay, I told you earlier also, now I am also training. If you click blank page, at that time web page will open. So you need to click more page templates for a style sheet and then click on style sheet and click here. So this is your style sheet, and according to the question paper, what will be the name of your style sheet? Create the single style sheet called tmcp.css. So it should be tmcp.css. So what you will do, save, and where you need to save, in data file, and it should be tmcp.css, tmcp.css, save. Okay, done. Now first thing what you have to do, you have to create the style sheet body, background color, background, some image is given, so background image. So for that you need to go to format, style, and always you have to click on HTML tag. And first one was about body, so you have to select any value here and just click B, then body will come. Then modify background, this is background picture, so you have to understand this one by seeing this file format like .jpg. so it is a background picture. So where background picture belongs to, it is belongs to border, then shading. Now see, background picture is given, so browse, your background picture belongs to desktop, data file, and what is the name of the picture? j141bg.jpg. so this one, done. This part is over. So our body style sheet code is done. Now go for the second one. Second one, what they're asking, h1, and if you observe the question, h1 also given here, and some color code of h1 also given here, that RGB. And when you will do these things, you have to check this one whether it is written according to like serial RGB or not. Sometimes some question paper it is written G first, then red first, green first, then red first, then blue. So you have to arrange it properly. So arrangement should be RGB, red, green, blue. So you know that this is a unique color. Through this color you can make any kind of color. So h1, font face, first choice Arial, default, default the browser default sans serif font. Alignment center, size is 32 pixels. So h1, first you have to think about h1. So go to format, same process, style, HTML tag, and first you have to mention h1, modify. And they talk about format, right? Font format. So you have to go to font here from the format, font, and what will be the size of the font? 32 pixel. So you have to write down 32 px. Then first you will mention Arial, right? And default sans serif you will mention manually. So where it is written Arial, this one. And next one, what the same alignment should be center. Alignment you cannot give it from here, so alignment, for that you have to go to paragraph. So I will do alignment later on. center later on. 32 pixel is done, Arial is done. So which one is left? Sans serif is left, so we'll do manually. I told you this one. Okay, now next part, what I have to do, I have to mention the color. So color code is given red, green, blue. So red is 00, it should be 2 digits, 00, green and blue. So how to give the color code? Red, green, blue. So you have to click here, more color, choose any part. So first value should be 000040, red, green, blue. So instead of CC you have to give 00, then instead of FF you have to give, again you have to give 00, and last one should be 40, last one should be 40. So this one should be 40. Okay, then press OK. So color code given, font size given, font name is given. Now we have to go for the alignment, right? So alignment is belongs to paragraph. So what type of alignment you have to give? So left or right, it should be center. So it should be mentioned alignment center. So everything done. So you have to check one more time. So Arial is given, this one I will write manually. Center align is given, 32 pixel is given, even the color code also given. Now press OK, OK and OK. Now check, this thing came automatically. Font size 32 pixel, font family Arial, color code is this one, text alignment is center. But after Arial, what you have to do, in the question paper they mention like if it is Arial, otherwise sans serif. So by giving comma you have to write down sans serif, sans hyphen serif, sans serif. Okay, so you have to mention this one as a sans serif. Now you check one thing, when you write one computer, how they differ each and every statement. When they wrote font size is 32 pixel, after that they gave some semicolon for second statement. So this is semicolon. And why I gave comma between Arial and sans serif? Because it belongs to this statement only. Okay, after that semicolon, again new statement, color code, again semicolon, then text align center, done. H1 is over. Now what you have to do about H3, sorry, font face, font face is browser default serif font. Serif font alignment fully justified, size is 16 pixel and H3 color also given. Okay, the same process. You have to go to the center, you have to go to format, then style, HTML tag, H3 modify. So font, format font, then what you have to do, browser default serif font. Now here you can first you have to check whether serif font is available or not. Okay, you have to write manually. So serif, this one you have to write manually. What you can do, first you can choose any font, SERIF. So serif is not written here, so you just choose one font. Okay, then we will do manually. Serif font and fully justified. Justified is belongs to paragraph. Size is 16px. Size is 16px. Okay, and after that what they're asking to do, 16px. Now we have to mention the color. Color is for H3 404000. So click on color, more color, it should be 404000. So 40, this one also like 40, and this one is like 00. Then press OK, OK, OK. Oh, we need to mention that alignment part, right? So text align is, so you have to again modify alignment paragraph. Alignment should be justified. Fully justified means justified. Then press OK, 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 done. Now H3 came here, you just press enter for making it down. So here you have to write down what, instead of the script, another font. What font we have to mention? Serif font. Okay, so you have to write down serif. serif, and font size 16 pixel, color is this one, text alignment justified. 16 pixel, fully justified, 16 pixel, color is done. Okay, h3 also done. Now we can go for next one, P, paragraph. Font face, browser default font, sans serif. This is for P. So you have to go to format, style, same process, HTML tag, then you have to mention P, paragraph, modify what they're asking for, font face, sans serif. So same process, you have to go to font, you will choose any kind of font, then we'll write this one manually. It will be better if you write font name manually. Okay, it will save your time also. Okay, now this one, alignment is fully justified, alignment is not from here, size is 12 pixel, size is 12 px. Now check alignment is the paragraph and check the color code is given on 000080. So here it should be color, more color, so you will be 000080. Okay, press OK. Now check which one is left, that is paragraph. What is the alignment for P? Fully justified, so it should be justified. Then press OK. Now make P down, so it will be sans serif. The font is sans serif, sans hyphen serif. Okay, now I want to tell you another secret thing. Suppose if they mention some font name which one is belongs to two word, so font style which one is belongs to two word, so here sans hyphen serif. According to English, if some hyphen is given between two things, that means it is considering that it is a single word, right? So it is a single word. So if some font name they are giving or font style they are giving which one belongs to two word, that time you have to keep that font name under inverted comma. Please keep this thing in your mind. When they will mention some font name, if this font name is belongs to two word, that font name should be under inverted comma. First, one more time you check whether everything is given or not. So first one is sans serif, font size is 12 pixel, color is this one, alignment justified. So this one is given serif, P, this one is given, fully justified is given, 12 pixel is given. Now 12 pixel is given or not, check. Yes, 12 pixel is given, even the color code also given. Now li, list, you have to make list. So for that you have to click on format, style, so HTML tag, li, so mention li, modify. Then what you have to do about li, number list should be starting at 1, alignment left. Is there any color? No. So number list 1, alignment left. So li, format for number list, numbering, and it should be number type. So you have to click here number, and a number list should starting at 1. Starting at 1 it is mentioned, right? So it should be number this one. Press OK, and next one what they're asking, alignment left. So format, paragraph, alignment should be left. Then press OK. Okay, done. Now make li down. Clear? So next one, table. Now I think you should write this one because you will forget this one. Maximum student used to forget that one. Here in the table what they said, border all collapse, all solid lines, external line with 3 pixel, internal grid line with 1 pixel. Okay, if they mention external grid line and internal grid line, you have to then you have to think in another way. External grid line means it will be inside the table, and internal grid line means it should be inside TD. So this code, this CSS code I will write inside TD. Internal grid line means TD. Again I am repeating, internal grid line means TD. External grid line should be in the table. So first we will design the table one. TD they did not mention. Did you see that? Okay. Okay, now we have to mention for this table two things. One is table and one is TD. So external grid line will be table and internal grid line will be TD. Understood? Now we have to think about table. So click on format, style, and HTML tag. You have to write down, you have to mention table, modify, border all columns. Okay, another thing, all columns you have to write manually. That will be better for you. Solid line, external line is 3 pixel, internal line is 1 pixel. So what are the things we have to mention inside the table? This one, all columns, all solid line, external line, not internal line, because external line belongs to table, internal line belongs to this pixel, and this two. So internal line I will not mention. Okay, internal line, my internal part of the cell, that means. Okay, so if this is a cell like 0, this is a cell, this box is a cell, internal color should be TD, inside TD. Okay, now come to the point. What are the thing? And here also they mention external border color and background color, background of the table, right? So what I have to do for this one, so border, so you need to go to select table, then modify table, then border, go to border, it should be solid and it should be box type. Solid means this box type. Okay, and color should be, this is table line color, right? External border color will be FF00. So external color, more color, so write down FF00. Okay, this is external color. See the border color, external border color of the table, and width is 3 pixel, external width, so it should be 3 px, right? So this solid line is given, external border line is given, 3 pixel is given, so this 2 is given. All colors we have to write manually, and then even color also given for external border. Now we have to give width and background color. So where is background color? Click on shade, background color. See here, you have to click here, more color, and what will be the background color? 6E859F. so you have to write down 6E, sorry, it will be 6E859F, 859F, 9F. Okay, 6E859F. This is background color. Done. Now background color will be like this. Now background color is given, external border is given. Now external border color is given, 3 pixel also given, all solid line is given. Then this one is left with 600 pixel and 300 pixel. For that, where you have to go? Okay, so you have to click on for width, position. Is it for position? Border width is not needed, so border you have to go to position. For width, position, width is 600 pixel, so 600 px, and height is 300 px, then press OK. Okay, so table width is 600, 300 px, border 3 px, solid this one, background color this one. Okay, which one is left now? I told you that all columns, this one I have to write, we have to write manually. So how to write this all columns things? First you have to think about the spelling, how they wrote spelling collapsed, SED, right? So you have to write not this way, actually you have to write so it's a different statement. So in that case um, what you can do, you can make it at the top line. Yes. So as it is a different statement, so what you have to do, you have to give one clone sign, right? Space, clone, no, semicolon sign, then space. You have to mention border hyphen, spelling should be collapse, COLLAPSE, border collapse. Okay, then clone, two dot, semicolon is one dot, one comma, and clone is two dot, border dash collapse, clone collapse, COLLAPSE. So I did not write like spelling of the question paper one, COLLAPSED, it is written, right? So you have to write up to E, collapse, right? Done. So anything left, you can check the table one with 600 300 pixel height, border 3 pixels, solid color, background color, this one, then border colors, done. Now internal grid line, you have to give this one. I told you that internal grid line should be in the TD, so you have to go to style, HTML tag, it should be TD, modify. Inside TD, what you have to do, TD, this color you have to give, and TD should be also solid, so TD also it should be solid, and border is 1 pixel. So according to the question, border is also 1 pixel. See, internal grid line is 1 pixel, so you have to go to border, you have to select this one, solid will come automatically. Border will be 1 px, and they did not ask about padding, so you'll rub this part, this is not needed for padding, they did not ask anything like padding. And what they said, internal grid line color FFFF00, so color should be here, more color, so click here FFFF00. Okay, now this is internal grid line, right? So after that, do you think anything we need to mention? No, it's done. Then press or bottom, it should be 0, nothing. Okay, now 1 pixel done, color given, solid given. Now check the question paper, color is given, 1 pixel also given, and it is as it is under the cell, so it should be solid like a table, all solid line. This did you see that? All solid line, all collapse. So you have to click here, all solid will come automatically, that's all. Okay, now press enter for keeping that table under TD under this table. After that, anything left? No, nothing is left. So your style sheet is done. Now you have to save it, Control S. Now what they're asking to do, open the web page. So you save this style sheet TMCP where? In your folder. So you now next question, open the web page j413tmcp.htm in your web editing software, and then attach the style sheet created in step 3. So first what I have to do, I need to close this one, style sheet is done, and we need to open the web page, desktop, data file. What is the name of the web page? tmcp.htm 1431 j1431 tmcp tmcp, this one. Okay, this is your web page. Now we need to attach the style sheet. So format, which style sheet we need to attach? That one we just now we created one, that one, style sheet link, add. So it is belongs to desktop, data file, and tmcp, this one, they're talking about this one. Okay, so that style sheet is added. You understood? Okay, now next one, edit the HTML image attributes for j4131 ray.jpg so that it is edit the HTML image attributes. What does it mean? HTML image, that image which one is given in HTML file. So this is HTML file, right? So it should be what it should do. You have to do j1431 ray. So this is the file name j1431. So how can I check this file name is j1431? We can select this picture and we can go to code option. Now see j1431 ray.jpg, so it will be clear, right? So this picture, they're talking about this picture. What you have to do with this, so that 300 pixel wide and 300 pixel height, do not edit the original image. 300 pixel wide and 300 pixel height. So right click over this picture, picture properties, and maintain aspect ratio, it should not be there. So 300 pixel width, specific size, unblock, maintain aspect ratio, so it should be 300 pixel, and this one also 300 pixel. Why I unblock and keep aspect ratio? Because if you block it, then if you change the width, automatically height will change. So it should not be, because two different sizes given. Now press OK. Now it will be look like this. Now next one, what they're asking to do, set the attribute for the image to display text month image if the image, this one, ray.jpg is not available. This is a very important question. It comes in many years. What does it mean? Set the attribute for the image to display the text month image if the image j14 ray.jpg is not available. Sometimes what happen, due to internet connection or due to the size of the picture, sometimes that picture is not coming in the, when we open the web page, some part of the picture is not coming or some picture is not coming. So if it is not coming due to the lacking of net connection or slower net connection, that time it will show you the name instead of that image. So it was the that type of image. So that is called attribute of the image. Okay, how to set the attribute of the image? Right click over that image, then picture properties, and click on general. So for attribute you have to click here, text, and what will be the name of the image? Manta image. So you have to copy that thing and you have to write Manta image. Okay, now if you check this image and check the code, what it is written here, alternative text Malta alt. See, did you see that? Alt Manta Manta image. That means if this image is not visible due to internet connection or some other problem, that time it will show you the name of the image. Okay, now come to the design part. In the text that end holiday company, or by clicking here, make only the word clicking here. Okay, where it is written holiday company, clicking here, holiday company by clicking here. Okay, this one, if you check the downside, you will see the my cursor pointer. So clicking here, what they are asking to do, clicking here a hyperlink to open the web page, this one, a new window called Manta. Okay, so what you have to do, make only the word clicking here. Okay, so first we have to block clicking here and right click hyperlink, and it will hyperlink and the web page will be this one. So what I have to do, hyperlink, copy this one, it should be open the web page. So you have to write down the web address here, and after that what they're asking, in a new window, it will open in a new window called Manta. So target frame, new window, underscore Manta, MANTA, right? Then press OK and OK. Now you can check the picture also, like code also, like click on code. So clicking here, okay, so after clicking here, it will open the web page. Half is half means the link. Okay, hyperlink, half means hyperlink. Clicking here, this one. Okay, that means code generated perfectly. Okay, design, this part is over. Now next question, in the text, email us for the detail of our Manta, make only the word email a hyperlink to send the email message, this one. So email us, where it is written email us, so you have to block only email, email us. What is email us for detail of our manta? For detail of our manta. So only email you have to make a hyperlink. Send the make a hyperlink. Make only the word email a hyperlink to send the email message to this one. So right click over this email by blocking hyperlink, and it should be the email message, right? So what you have to do for this one, click on email address, and what you have to write here, question number 7. So send an email message to TMCP, this one you have to write the email address like this one. So email address, Control V. Okay, Control C, Control V, just copy and paste. So I'm doing this one, but in your exam time I don't think that you will get this type of like facilities that for copying, because in the main exam you are going to get hard copy, right? Okay, that is good for me, it will take less time. Okay, in the same paragraph, make only the text, click on this link. So this full text, click on this link, hyperlink to send an email message to TMCP. So after doing this one, you have to click OK. And if you see the code, see email, this is the email address given. Okay, now next one, what they're asking, in the same paragraph, click on this link, and it should be again another email. Click on this link where it is written, click on this link. So you have to right click hyperlink, it should be email address, and what will be the email address, TMCP .uk with a subject line. Here also they gave subject line, but earlier they did not give any subject line. So email address will be this one, and what will be the subject line, donated by, followed by your name and candidate number. So donated subject name will be donated by your name, so I'm writing my name, comma, candidate number. Suppose by default I am giving some number, then press OK. Now you can check this code, click code. Now see, my name came donated by Maman, right? Done. Now next one, place a copy of HTML source in your evidence document, save your web page, open this web page in your web browser, place the screenshot of these things, place a copy of the style sheet in your evidence document. So they are talking about take the code of this one, whatever it is generated. So what you will do in evidence document, suppose Control A, select all, Control C. Okay, now go to Microsoft Word. Suppose this is your evidence document, Word. We will provide evidence document in the exam time. So but in this question paper they did not provide, but we will provide because question paper pattern change from 2017. So take the maximum space. Suppose this is evidence 1, it will be written in your exam time evidence 1 or evidence 2. So you have to write on EVIDENCE, evidence 1. Okay, now you have to paste your code, not this way, right click here, this one, merge formatting, and this option you have to paste, option will be that one. Now what you have to do as a smart student, you have to block those later which one generated automatically, right? So this one generated automatically because we attach this style sheet. So how to block, you have to like make bold with some color. So click here, give gray color, light gray color, don't give red or blue, because you are going to take the print out and you are going to submit. If you print blue color or red color, it will come black. Okay, so another thing also, you did it like manta image, you did this one also, so you will make this one like bold. Banner JVT, this one is not done. Now next part, so examiner should understand that you did it perfectly, you did everything perfectly. So these are the thing you did. Half, this also you did, so make it bold with different color. Now your evidence document of HTML code is over. Now this is evidence 1. Now evidence 2, evidence 2, it will be what they're asking. HTML7 page and open this web browser. Now you have to open that web, save that web page. So this is your web page. Now Control S, save it. Control S, and should be 1431 TMCP HTML, right? So minimize this one also. Go to data file. So where I saved this one? What is the name of the web page? 1741 tmcp.html. This one. Open this one in Google Chrome. Open with Google Chrome. So this is your web page. Now you have to take the screenshot of this one, and so print screen button, and this is your evidence document, evidence 2, and paste it here. Okay, if you want to make it little bit big, you can make it big. So examiner should understand each and every part, the link also. So you can make it a little big this side also, so it will be more visible. Okay, done. Now next part of this question. So close this part, web designing, and don't crop this upper part, because they should understand that you open through some web browser. Okay, so now next evidence 3. Evidence 3. What you have to do here, according to the question, place a copy of your style sheet in your evidence document. So style sheet means you have to open style sheet again. So file, open, this is our style sheet. So you have to copy this one. Control C and go to your evidence document. Under evidence 3, it should be in the next page. Okay, under evidence document, Control V, paste it. Now it should be more visible. So what you can do, you can block this one and you can make it a little bit big, 12, and you can change, you can give some space, so examiner should easily identify this one. Okay, oh, HP, then P, then this one LI, and this one table, after table background color. Okay, done. Control Z, background, then TD. Now what you can do, you can, yeah, this is okay, so it is visible, so examiner will understand this one easily. Another way what you can do, you can move it little bit left side. So no, it's okay, you can keep it like this way, no problem. Okay, understood. So our web designing part is over. Okay, thank you. If you have any question about this matter, you can ask me in your class. Thank you all.